Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix sound issue on iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max and 12 mini. So let's get started. Method 1 is turn off attention aware feature. Launch settings app on your iPhone. In the settings menu, tap accessibility. Now swipe down and tap Face ID and attention. Next, toggle the setting for attention aware feature to the off position to disable this feature. Method 2 is turn off Bluetooth. Launch settings app on your iPhone 12. Tap on Bluetooth under the settings menu. Tap the Bluetooth switch to turn it off. Method 3 is turn off phone noise cancellation. Launch settings app on your iPhone. In the settings menu, tap accessibility. Now swipe down and tap audio visual under the hearing. Tap the phone noise cancellation switch to turn it off. Method 4 is reboot hard reset your iPhone. For that, press and release the volume up key, then press and release the volume down key, then press and hold the sleep wake key. When the Apple logo appears, release the key. That's it. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.